Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad algebra problem. So here we have this is 8 divided by h is equals to square root of h, and we solve this problem for all the values of h. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, I hope so you like this method, but if you have any other method, please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards the solution of this problem, and here the very first step we are going to do is, first you see that this h is divided by left hand side. We need to move this h to the right hand side, and it will be written as 8 is equals to h times of square root of h. So here further we need more simplifications, and here we need to remove the square root sign from right hand side, and for this we will apply squaring on both of the sides. And when we apply squaring, it will be written as in this form. And further we have, this is 8 square, and 8 square becomes 64 is equals to, now here you have, this is the square of these two terms, and we apply the square separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes h square into square root of h and its whole square. So you see that this 2 and this square root are gone, and we obtain h square into h, and we know that h square times h becomes h cubed is equals to 64. So here we move the 64 to the right hand side, and it will becomes h cubed minus 64, and this whole equation is equals to 0. Then we rewrite this equation as, this is h cubed minus this is 64, we write it as 4 cubed, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to use here the nice cubic formula. Here you know about that. If we have x cubed minus y cubed is equals to x minus y times of x square plus xy plus y square. So according to this, you see here the base of this term is our x and the base of this term is our y. So we substitute these two values of x and y into the right hand side of this equation, and it will be written as, this is x minus y. The value of x is h minus the value of y is 4 into, this is x square. The value of x is h square plus the value of x is h, and y is 4 plus y square. So y is 4 square, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write h minus 4 is equals to 0, and the second case is we write h square plus 4h plus 4 square 16, and this whole equation is equals to 0. From here we easily get the value of h is equals to 4. So this is the first root of the given equation. And now here we need to solve this quadratic equation in order to find the other roots of this equation. And you know about that there are three methods to solve the quadratic equation. The first method is factorization method, second one is completing square method, and third one is by applying the quadratic formula. So here we use the quadratic formula to solve this quadratic equation. For this we first write the coefficients of this equation, and its coefficients are a is equals to 1, b is equals to 4, and c is equals to 16. And we state the quadratic formula as h is equals to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4 times of ac divided by 2 times of a. This is our quadratic formula, and here we substitute all the values of a, b, and c in this formula, and it will be written as h is equals to, this is minus b, the value of b is minus 4 plus minus square root of b square. So b is 4 square minus 4 times of a is 1, and c is 16, and it is divided by 2 times of a, and here our a is also equals to 1. So in the next step we need more simplifications, and it will be written as h is equals to minus 4 plus minus square root of 4 square becomes 16 minus 4 times of 16, and it is divided by 2 times of 1 is equals to 2. And further in the next step, we have here, you see that inside the square root sign we have a 16 be the common term, so that we take common 16 from here and we get the remaining values are 1 minus 4, and it is divided by 2. And further in the next step, we have here we just apply the square root sign separately on both of these two values, and it will becomes minus 4 plus minus the square root of 16 becomes 4 into 1 minus 4 becomes minus 3, and it is divided by 2. So here we break this fraction, and we will obtain here minus 4 divided by 2 plus minus 4 times of, here you see that negative sign appears inside the square root sign, so it will becomes iota, and it is divided by 2. And now further in the next step, we have h is equals to, this is 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get minus 2 plus minus, this is also 2 times 2 becomes 4, and we get here 2 times of square root of 3 into iota. So these are the other two complex roots of the given equation. Finally we have, there are three roots of the given equation in which these two roots are complex roots, and h is equals to 4 be the one real root of the given equation. So this is the our final answer of this question, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.